今日のテーマはこちらです。米。Hello everyone. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I don't know if this is actually considered do-it-yourself. But basically we're going to make some bread, which is a little bit different from most. What we use is called the Gopan. Basically what the Gopan does, it has the ability to make regular bread with wheat, but it also uses whole grain rice. And we'll show you how you do this. In essence, it is a mill. It grinds the rice up and turns it into a flour, and then after it's all done, mixes all the ingredients, it bakes it, and you get rice bread. So let's take a look and see what we can make. So here are the ingredients. We've got 90 grams of white rice, 130 grams of brown rice, 210 grams of water, 16 grams of brown sugar, 4 grams of salt, 10 grams of shortening, we've got 3 grams of dry yeast, and 50 grams of gluten. This is a container that actually goes inside the machine itself, so I've already loaded it in here because it makes a mess every time I try and pour it into it. I begin by adding the yeast to the gluten. Then I wash the rice before adding it. Next is the water. The shortening. The salt. Brown sugar. And we're ready to go. I set the machine for brown rice. Then press the start button. After soaking for a couple hours, the milling process begins. This process goes on and off for at least an hour. Eventually, the mixing stage begins. This too is a process that starts and stops and starts and stops and takes some time before it actually finishes. The final stages are kneading, resting the dough, and then baking the bread. And now for the best part. I need a bread slicer. Perfect. And there you have it, rice bread made from whole grain rice. Well, we hope you enjoyed this version of the Aluminum Chef, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.